It's here.
Hang on.
Come on.
Wait for me. Are you ready?
Ready?
Come on. 1, 2, 3. Go on now.
Oh, my word. What is it?
I don't know what it is, but I can tell you this much.
What?
But it's in very nice condition inside. It's all walnut veneer and leather seating.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's an Armstrong Siddeley.
Armstrong Siddeley was a British engineering company founded in Coventry in 1919. They specialised in the production of high-end luxury vehicles. The last cars came off the production line in 1960.
These cars were supposed to be a sort of just as posh but kind of cheaper than a Rolls-Royce or a Bentley from the 50s. That's lovely.
I like a little Sphinx motif.
Oh yeah, that's sweet, isn't it? The paintwork has seen better days, Si.
Well, you wanted some horsepower. I think you've got some horsepower.
I think we've got it, mate. Should we go and see Kate?
Yes.
Tell us about the motor.
It's an Armstrong Siddeley Star Sapphire.
So how come you got that?
It's been in the family since 1960. Grandfather bought it. It's done a few family weddings and then it's lived most of its life where you found it.
Outside, Skid and Henry are feeling pleased with themselves.
You have done exceptionally well.
But the bottom line is, the paint has seen better days. But if we give it a good clean and a good wash, clean the interior,
Yes.
hopefully it will drive and stop.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then we have added immense value to it because it's ready for the new owner to give it a respray.
I've got one word of caution.
What?
Get your checkbook ready. Have you any idea what amount of car shampoo, car wax, leather cleaner and chrome cleaner I'm going to need?
Mate, we've got it all in stock.
I would like to say I have fallen in love with this.
Good. Well, look, I tell you what, that's a great start because best of luck with the jet wash.
The Sapphire Star is getting a thorough clean.
I don't seem to have a bucket near me.
Yours is behind you.
And there's a find in the boot that points to its quality.
Mate,
Oh,
I had a
I
look
say.
earlier. Look at the toolkit. Pull that drawer out.
Oh, I say.
It's
look at that.
beautiful. It's absolutely complete. Look at that.
Oh, my word.
Isn't that beautiful?
Wow, that's amazing. Corporate. How divine. And it stays up on its own. Blimey, beautifully designed, man. They don't make them like that anymore.
No, they don't. The cracks disappear when you get the dirt out of them, mate.
Yeah, I know. Actually, Skid, seriously, it's looking good.
Yeah.
Mate, it's got the seal of approval. She loves it, look.
Well, for an initial clean, for the first time in I don't know how many years, that is rather beautiful.
I mean, if it rides as good as it looks now,
Yeah.
blimey, what a fantastic rolling restoration.
The Armstrong Siddeley Sapphire Star is looking tip-top.
Right, lights. Willison!
And has started first time.
Mate, that sounds gorgeous. Oh, there we go. It just needs a run.
I feel like Lord Fauntleroy.
Yeah, I do feel like we're travelling in style.
Oh, we are.
It's absolutely
Are we?
lovely, this
Eh?
thing. I mean, this is for going for a picnic with the family, isn't it?
And we have saved another here.
Yeah.
Yes, it needs a paint job. Yeah.
I quite like the patina that's on this. You don't have to respray it to have fun in it, do you?
So the teams will be hoping their hard work pays off at the valuation.
Whoa. Poor man's Rolls-Royce. Armstrong Siddeley.
Exactly. That one is a Star Sapphire, actually.
And what registration year is that?
Grr.
Grr.
That is 1960. Now, the paintwork, you can't really see there, but the paintwork is a little bit tatty. It does need a respray. I mean, I'd drive it as it is, but for a connoisseur or collector, it needs a respray.
Okay. Lovely. Lovely thing. It's a beautiful car. Nostalgia again.
And the Armstrong Siddeley was parked up under a tarpaulin. Now it's up and running again. No cost as the shampoo was in stock.
In the condition you've described, I think that's about £6,500.
A runaway profit of £6,500.